pero no tan chiquito, yo de unos pedazos muy chiquititos.
Mire, pues este es una mitad. ¿Usted quiere todavía así? Ya, pues así van a estar los pedazos.
Pero tú de a tiro, o sea, tan cerca.
Ma, pero usted dijo que en 4. Yo los estaba
no
haciendo.
tan corto, largo, largo.
¿Cómo que largo?
Hasta la chingada madre, así.
That's too long, ma. Look.
Ahí tanteable, tampoco me voy a estar midiendo yo.
Ma, yo digo como lo estoy haciendo yo.
No tengo una regla así que está aquí.
Y así es como me regaña mi mamá. Tal le ayudo y todavía se pone genial. Okay, so I'm gonna bleach my arm hair. Yes, guys, my arm hair is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the before. That's how they came out. Can you tell? Well, yeah, they're blonde. Like, you can't even see them no more. And I have bad news, guys. My nail broke. I just got them done yesterday. No. Now I'm gonna just put my hair treatments. So I am leaving to Mexico today, guys. Today. I still don't have nothing packed. This is exactly what happens when you're packing last minute. And then I have all this clothes that I need to wash. So I'm debating to take this jacket or this one. But then I want to take both, you know? It's because they're similar in color. That's why I'm like, I should just take one. But this one's like kind of like crop top. And then the other one's like long. So right now I'm going to pack all my makeup. You're leaving to Mexico without telling me you're leaving to Mexico. Mi mamá hizo lonche para el camino, hizo gorditas de harina con papas, listada. Qué rico. Hey Gabby, say hi for the vlog. ¿Está lista para México, ma? Wow. ¿Usted actuó? We have a problem. The stuff don't fit. So I washed. Do you like my outfit or change it for the white sweater?
Fine.
Yeah.
You weren't gonna take those?
No.
Oh.
I am so excited for Mexico, guys. Let me tell you guys.
Don't tell them.
Do I tell them?
No.
Yes, just a little.
No.
So I.
Oh yeah. You're getting them.
Yeah. So I'm getting a little work done somewhere. Not gonna say where, but yeah. I said too much already. I said too much. So stay tuned for that video. You're gonna come with me, Gabby, or you're gonna record my whole
Experience. Yeah.
Yeah. Who's excited? It's not just gonna be one procedure, it's gonna be several.
You're not even gonna be recognizable.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be like, is that gonna be the one that does YouTube?
Look at those boots over there. Those are cute. Those brown ones. Go get them.
Let me go. I can't believe I was gonna leave these booties.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So let me tell you guys a little secret. It's not a secret, but so this is a bad boy that you plug in. You open it like this, and it has like a. You connect it, right? And then it has like speeds. So there's high, medium, low, warm, and then off. This is when you get your period and you have horrible cramps. You plug this boy in, you put that boy on high, you put this boy on your stomach, and OMG, it's gonna feel good. It's not gonna take your cramps away, bro. Yeah, for your cramps to go away, you just have to take the pain. Sadly. can find it at my... Oh, you know you Mexican when you need two people to close a maleta. So I am all done with packing, washing, everything. I'm all done to leave to Mexico. So I'm gonna close today's video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.